Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change fonts on Facebook. So pretty much if you wish to, for example, change your font of the text on the post you're doing on Facebook, this is actually pretty easy. So for this guys, let us open up a browser and in here just type in Facebook font generator. Okay, and you go to the website and now you choose which font you want. In my case, for example, it's going to be the bold font, and then you just type in some kind of text. And then you just pretty much go ahead and copy the text from here, like this, copy, then go back to the Facebook. And then if you want to create a new post, or just write a comment, for example, you just, as you can see, paste it in, hello, and it now has a different changed font. So that's pretty much how you do this, and just yeah, you'll go back to your browser and choose which font you want. You can go some pretty fonts, some fancy fonts if you wish to do that, and then just yeah, copy the text, the converted text, insert it, and then make a post or something, or create a message, whatever you want to do. So enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.